This brand is made in Mexico and is available only through their authorized dealer network in the USA and Canada. The Comfort Series 25 SCA5 model is a basic 15-seer unit that uses a wire guard for condenser coil protection, which does not actually do much to protect the coil from damage due to debris from a lawnmower or from hail. The units are relatively loud during operation and are only backed by an average warranty. The Performance Series 25 TPA7 heat pumps are premium units with a durable 2-stage scroll compressor, but the warranty is not as good as many of the other brands. The 25V and A4 models are a part of their Infinity line with green speed intelligence and includes their silencer system for quiet operation. The unit is backed by a good warranty that includes total unit replacement in case of compressor failure within the first 10 years after installation, but it is only average when compared to other brands. This brand receives an overall 2-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your thoughts and experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and God bless.